Good day to everyone. In this video, we shall see what do you mean by these cookies and what are all its types. These cookies, they are the small piece of the data that is stored on the user's device by the web browser while browsing a website. They are used to remember the information about the user, such as the login details, preferences, and other data that can enhance the user's experience on subsequent visits. That is, frequently, if you visit the same website, it will use that information to give you the suggestion like that. These cookies they have been divided into two types, that is session cookies and persistent cookies. These session cookies, they are the cookies which are temporary. That means they will be erased when the user when he closes the browser or logs off the website. Its main purpose is they will be used to manage the session information, such as it will help in keeping the user logged in while he is navigating in the website. The example for session cookie is online shopping carts. Here it will remember the items that the user he adds to the cart while browsing the different pages. Next is persistent cookies. These persistent cookies they remain in the user's device for a specific period or until they are manually deleted. Here the main purpose is they store the user's preference and the settings, which makes it easier for the users to return to the website without having to re-enter the information. Example for persistent cookies are remembering the login details or the language preferences like this. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of our updates or videos. Thank you.